Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you the New Year's Chimp ability in Grow a Garden game of Roblox 2026 New Year Update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the New Year's Chimp looks like, and I'm going to show you the ability of this pet. But before that guys, I'm going to show you how you can get this pet. You can get this pet from hatching the New Year's egg. You can buy the egg from the New Year's shop right here. Just talk to Paul and show me the New Year shop. Okay, and the egg is cost 1 trillion shekels. Okay, and you will have 15% chance or possibility to get the New Year's chimp. Okay, and now it's time to place this pet in my garden, and I'm going to view the ability. Every 8 minutes grabs a random crop from your garden and brings it to one of 4 different things for different bonuses. Ignores favorited. So guys, basically it can give you rewards, and the reward can be event a lantern or the recall wrench or give XP to your pet, or I think it can also apply mutation. Yeah, and this is worth to keep in our garden because the ability is useful, different from the others pet from the New Year's egg. Okay guys, and that's all about the New Year's chimp and grow a garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.